Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today I did a model of the CEL or couple Eulerian Lagrangian explosion inside the ultra high performance RC reinforced ultra high performance concrete building. Here you can see, and let me now remove the Eulerian domain and use this view. Replace just concrete here. This is the concrete with some level here, and let me request the damage for it. You can see this is the final view, and the explosion happened in the second floor here inside the second floor, and you can see the damage and failure in the column in the floor, and it is failed completely. This is the pressure due to buckling, this is the ductile damage, and this is the plastic strain, yield criterion, or anything else. Let me replace this view here and make it here. See, this is the explosion here. Let me use make it 100 to have a better view. Or let me use this. You can see that it is better. See, it is a sphere as a TNT material. Requested damage. And here this is the wave propagations. Okay, let me now remove here. Remove the Eulerian part, just this, make it a stress, remove the concrete part, and you can see these are the steel member as a reinforcement here. You can see the reinforcement and their deformation. And let's use view, make this beam profile 10 to have a better view. See, this is the stress, sorry, the ductile damage, the displacement, or anything else. Now let me replace the concrete and check its result for the stress. This is the stress, and let me check it in this view. Here, and volume fraction. See, this is the volume fraction. We can check the stress as a pressure, and this is the pressure or the velocity of the wave, or anything else, for instance this is the building, ultra high performance building, and the detonation happened inside this. Here you can see that this is a TNT here. See this? See it? Okay, so if you want to model CEL explosion inside the concrete, ultra high performance concrete building reinforced with steel reinforcement, and you want to use JWL equation, Johnson-Hellquist for concrete, or ductile damage for the steel materials, you can come to our website here, www.abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here, then click on the title or blue sign. This is continue. Then you will have a title explanation about the geometry part and assembly. Here you can see them here. Then the material method, step, interaction, load, and mesh, and then the result as figures. You can see them here. The cost for the CAE INP English video and reference material paper for the material is 30 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to tell you about the purchasing process. Also, if you are interested to learn Abaqus completely, you can provide our full package here containing 430 tutorials. It covers all aspects of simulation, and modeling. You can see the main title of this package here. We have a lot simulation in this tutorial, in this package, and they have subtitle under these main titles. So read all these, and if you need this package with the exceptional price and that's so suitable and affordable for student, teacher, and engineering, let me know through this email. Contact me to this email, then I will tell you about the price, exceptional price, and the payment process. Thank you for your attention.